On our way out to a recovery here, relatively local to me, which is kind of nice. Rocking the thermal hunting hoodie. If you're in the market for a drone or accessories, check out Justin at thermalhunting.com, and he can definitely hook you up. So this deer, they've had a dog on it, and the dog just chased it, and they know it's wounded, so they wanted to bring the drone in and take a look, and that's where we're headed. So tell me about this deer.
You don't know shit about it because he shot it dark.
Mm.
More than anything, we'll get to see which deer it was. That's what I.
Yeah, it's not a deer you've been chasing or anything necessarily.
Well, so we think it's one that we were gonna let walk.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah, he got split G2s. He's pretty unique.
Give him another year.
Emotions got a little of him yesterday. They were two locked up, 40 yards from me, down a little ravine.
Right.
When they stopped, they both simultaneously started chasing does under me, zigzagging.
Okay.
16 yards.
That's hard to resist.
And so what happened when I played it back, I pulled back. He got up. He walked.
He moved a little bit, yeah. Okay.
The dogs ran. I can show you exactly.
So you think you hit him?
Oh no, we know we hit him.
Okay, you've got
the
what?
Tracked it all the way. I can tell you
So that's another question. The dog, this is a blood tracking dog, not just scent.
No, it's pheromone. Yeah.
Okay.
They got him across this little.
So, I guess my question is, could he be? Are we sure he's tracking your buck?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, that's what that guy.
Okay.
Seriously.
The pheromones from that they put off when they're wounded. Right. Okay. All right. Just making sure. And so we'll start there. We'll start where the dog left off and go from there.
I don't know. They're weird about their.
And you think he's on this point somewhere?
That's where the dogs.
They lost him on the slough. He crossed over onto that point, and
he called the dogs back.
Right.
Here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right there.
Right. So somewhere in that. So that's where we'll start.
His home ground is back up here. So I don't know if he's gonna stay by the water since he's hurt.
Yeah.
My best bet is he's somewhere on the edge of the slough here, or he ran back up into his little home cut over to the northwest.
So can we? And her gate's at the cul-de-sac.
Yeah.
Can we just walk it?
Possibly.
It's a quarter mile to that corner. There's something right here on the road, which I don't know if this is the spot I was at before. That looks like a deer.
Yeah, it's gonna be close to where they were at.
Yeah, it is close to it.
I'm gonna turn so I'm over the land in case an eagle attacks me. That's a doe. See?
Standing
there.
Yeah. He seems to be pretty alive.
That one looked better.
He's gonna be hard to look at. I'm gonna get the next one, and then we'll come back to him.
Good God.
That's what I was worried about.
Doe on her feet. This one actually, I mean, he's covered, whatever it is. So, but it also looks a little cooler. So, we'll see what it is. That one right there. There we go. Another doe. You see her head?
But what's crazy is he goes on all kind of damn big old hunting trips and stuff.
And he don't even come to this land.
That old boy that married the other girl, I don't think he hits a lick of shit, and they go on all kind of damn hunting trips, kill big ass deer.
There's a little buck right there.
Probably it.
Hmm?
That's probably what he shot. How
Is that
little?
what you shot?
I mean, I don't know.
How little we talking?
It's inside the ears.
4 point, maybe, inside the ears.
Hope not that.
Well, you don't see no. You can't.
I'll get closer. I'll mark him, and
With
if we
those,
want to look a little closer, we can.
You wouldn't probably even see an exit with those the arrows that you shoot or any arrow really. If it wasn't just bleeding. It's been so long now. If you shot fucking 4 point, it's going all over Facebook. Congratulations, Zach, on your trophy. Bow kill.
Is he dead or alive?
He's alive. He's got his head up. He's chewing the cud.
Surely that's not much shot. Well, we'll keep moving on.
Yeah. I got him marked, and I'll
Don't want you to use this hunting.
Mm-hmm.
But it ain't like you can get close to that damn thing.
Mm-mm.
You could hit him off. Let me know where that's at.
Yeah, but he's fine. He doesn't seem like he's moving with a broken leg or anything, you know.
The only other thing, it could have just got over on that peninsula and just kept going.
Mm-hmm. I mean, obviously, this one's hard because you think you hit him. You're pretty sure you hit him, right?
Oh, we know it. We had blood.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it was blood, not
we had
guts
blood
or
and guts,
okay.
A little
Okay.
bit of both.
So we should find him. The question is, yeah. So here's another.
I just don't know. See, like, here's the point that you.
So you can see how good.
Yeah.
You can see how good I can see him, but I just have no visual.
So, I mean, we'd have to. There's the point where you just found those. Initially found those
Right.
does. The only other thing he could have done was kept going towards this water.
True. Yeah.
If he didn't circle back, because that's a long ways to circle back to where.
Okay, so that is another buck. He's flicking his ears, so he's not dead.
Yeah. Is he sleeping?
He's chewing. I can see a little bit of movement there, yeah. So we'll mark him, but I mean, I don't think that's ours because if you saw blood and guts, I would think, and that was when did you shoot him? This morning? Or no, last night?
Yesterday at 5.
Doe head. And something under here.
All under that pine.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Honestly, can't believe we're not seeing more deer than what we are.
Oh, that was a bed. Okay. She just got out of the bed. Not 2 deer.
That's crazy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that bed was already cooling off a few seconds later. Those little specks are just squirrels. Oh boy. What in the heck? That is a lot of deer. Oh, turkeys.
No, gotcha.
Okay. Usually those do not show up very well, just because they're so insulated generally. Of course, I haven't looked at them in the winter either. I haven't found a lot in the winter. Normally, like on a summer evening, they're insulated enough that you just don't.
Damn, longbeards.
Mm-hmm.
That's wild.
Yeah. So this is something larger, but not a deer, I don't think. Armadillo. That is a buck.
Looking up, ain't it?
Probably, yeah. But he's up on his feet, so.
I wonder if we...
God, that's a really nice one. Can't tell if he's only. No, he's a nice 8. Whew. Okay, well, that's nice. And then I think he just got out of bed. Yep. Okay, so I just want to make sure this is a doe or not a. No, that is a buck. He's not acting weird, no.
That's just a dark spot on him.
It's hard to tell. Yeah, that's just the crease of his legs. Hard to tell. Yeah. I got it marked if we wanted to step in there. I'm gonna check what we came to check. Dang, I already checked that, dude. I gotta mark this shit.
Two or three.
Oh man, what is this? Okay, just a bunch of dudes. Yeah, okay. But I saw this one up here. Just want to see. Oh, that's moving too. Oh boy, that's a nice one. Pretty nice. Doesn't seem. Come on. That's a nice one. He's not super wide, but he's got a lot of junk going on. Looks like.
Is he standing? Or?
He's standing. He's gonna move here in a sec.
Oh, look.
He's moving around though, so I don't think he's ours. There he goes. Shit. He is. Yeah, he's perfectly fine when he goes right there. I got all this on video, and
Oh, okay.
I'll maybe I can get him, or I can get a picture of him. There he goes. That's kind of slow.
That's probably the deer that was with him.
Mm.
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Hey. We found a bunch of deer, just not one that's dead.
That's a doe.
Yeah, we're looking. looking one more spot. You didn't say nothing? Damn, you left early. Yeah. That's wild. I should have been there this morning. All right, I gotta let you go.
Yeah, it's a doe.
That's a doe.
Yep.
That looks good too.
Yep. Let's look at this one. I don't know what that is. Looks like water. Mud puddle. Or scrape, maybe.
Yeah.
That might be what I'm seeing.
Laney, come on.
No, it's another doe. Okay. I assume this is not the same one.
Damn. Either moving or flopping.
Yeah.
Moving.
Running, yeah. Shot. Shut up. There's a bunch of deer. Whole bunch of deer. Shit.
Hell, let's call it, brother. You got stuff to do. If I don't get...
If you don't get home, you're gonna get in trouble too.
Well, probably not. But I won't be able to get anything tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, these are all moving. They're bedded and now they're running.
Yeah.
So, man, I hate it. We haven't found it for sure. That's not obviously. I don't want to come out here and not find it, especially if that deer's got shot. That's strange not to.
Yeah, man. When I got down, shined the light, and I was like, okay, it's not going to go far.
Mm-hmm.
And then, bam.
Mm-hmm. All right. Okay. I'll call it. Very aggravating though.
Yeah, I mean, only thing I would have
Thought we had enough to go on. Yeah.
Been to start right here instead of going.
Yeah, but I mean, if we don't find them, we don't find them. You know.
Ain't from lack of trying.
It's moving. We ended up right back where the shot was, and searched that ridge kind of near to the shot, just in case the dogs were completely on the trail of the wrong deer. And unfortunately, we didn't find any deer that looked like they were struggling. So I hate not coming up with one. I thought this deer would. I thought we would find him, but if he moved quickly enough while he was initially hurt, it is possible he could get, a mile out. You don't want to not find one. But I feel like we gave it everything we had and burned up most of our batteries. I think we had one battery left. So 3 hours of flight time I covered, and unfortunately just came up empty-handed. But anyway, that's that, and on our way home, and we'll just be ready for the next call.